Hey everyone! Welcome back to Try Before You Cry. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that promises to solve all your tech repair woes. We're reviewing the STREBITO Electronics Precision Screwdriver Set, a 142-piece kit from STREBITO, available on Amazon. Before we get started, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and join our community of savvy shoppers. We're all about helping you make informed decisions before you, well, you know. So you've got a cracked phone screen, a laptop that needs a memory upgrade, or a game console begging for some TLC? Are you tired of rummaging through drawers for the right screwdriver? The STREBITO kit boasts 142 pieces to tackle just about any electronic repair. It's currently listed on Amazon for $25.19 after a 10% discount from its original price of $27.99. But does it live up to the hype? Does it really have everything you need? And most importantly, is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. This isn't just a bunch of random bits thrown into a bag. The STREBITO set includes 120 precision bits made of 60 HRC chromium vanadium steel. That's supposed to be tough stuff, resistant to abrasion, oxidation, and corrosion. We're talking Phillips, Flathead, Torx, Pentalobe, Hex, and more. It also comes with 22 practical accessories, including a magnetizer/demagnetizer, a magnetic project mat, ESD tweezers, a suction cup, spudgers, and even a cleaning brush. The screwdriver itself has a comfortable, ergonomic handle with a swivel top, plus a flexible extension shaft for those hard-to-reach screws. Everything is neatly organized in a tear-resistant Oxford bag for easy portability. Key features include magnetic tips, ergonomic design, flexible shaft, and interchangeable bits. They advertise it's suitable for cell phones, computers, laptops, SSDs, iPads, game consoles, tablets, glasses, HVAC, and sewing machines. Quite the claim, isn't it? Let's see what other buyers are saying. Overall, the reviews are pretty positive, with an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from over 16,000 reviews. The consensus seems to be that it offers excellent value for the price, with a ton of bits and accessories. Users praise its usefulness for computer and electronics repairs, with some specifically mentioning Nintendo Switch repairs. A common theme is the comprehensive selection of bits that eliminates the need for individual drivers. Some users have reported issues with the durability of the plastic prying tools and the screwdriver bits themselves when applying significant torque. Here are a few snippets from actual buyers. Complete kit for all our needs with computer and electronic device repair. Absolute must-have for high-quality, portable, adjustable, low or medium torque applications. But also, warnings. Metal tips snap off at first use, and the connecting piece stripped. So it seems like this kit is great for delicate work, but might not hold up to heavy-duty tasks. So what's the final verdict? The STREBITO Electronics Precision Screwdriver Set appears to be a comprehensive and well-organized kit that's perfect for light to medium-duty electronics repairs. The sheer number of bits and accessories makes it a great value for the price. However, be aware of the potential durability issues, especially with the plastic tools and screwdriver bits under high torque. If you're a professional who needs a super robust kit, this might not be for you. But for the average DIYer or hobbyist, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. We hope this review helped you decide if the STREBITO screwdriver set is right for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and product tests. Check out our other videos for more deals and updates. Happy repairing!